Fluffy. Today we are going to be opening Fluffy slime design. As you can see here, we have the glues. It's green, yellow, and pink. Here are the sprinkles and decoration. Here are the containers. And this is created in Tara. These are the main things. So, let's get started. Open it. Yay, I opened it. What? There's tip on my shot. Tip on the side. Oh yeah, you took it out. This is so hard to open. Come on, open. Eee! What's wrong with this box? So, start taking it out. This is how it looks like. Now I'm sticking it. Oh my god. Cute. Oh my god. So right now we're opening it. Oh my god, this is so hard to open. Hey, there we go. And then in another corner there's tape. And then over here there's more tape. These things. So I unboxed everything. All the ingredients are here ready. So this is the activator. This is the rubber band for the little heart. These are all the containers. These are the sprinkles and the foam beads. The glues are here. It's green, yellow, and pink. This is my bowl and I'm gonna mix the things. And this is a little measurement. And my spoon. So let's get started. Right now I picked this pretty pink glue, fluffy glue. So let's pour it in my bowl. So right now I'm gonna add the whole thing in. Oh, there we go. Ew! Ew! It's like watery things. That wasn't me. Ew. It wasn't me. You. Okay, I'm done adding the whole thing. So now I'm gonna finish adding the bottom part. There it goes. I'm done. So right now I'm gonna add these pretty sprinkles. I'm gonna add the sprinkles. Oh, I love adding sprinkles in. See, look at my bowl, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna mix it. Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it. Look at the sprinkles. It looks like ice cream sundae, but you can't eat it. Or, yeah, you can't eat it. Don't drink this. This is not water. Oh, I forgot to mention. I think this is enough. I'm not sure I'm gonna activate this that much. I think it's starting to activate. If I didn't activate too much. Oh, I think it's activated. This is so cool. It's activating. Oh my God, it's activating. OMG, it's activating. So pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh. And if you wash it, if you want to wash it out, just wash it with water and soap. Look at that. Oh. It's so goopy. I'm in love with this slime. Ooh. Why is this so sticky to me? Oh my God. It's like so good. Okay. Is it supposed to look like this? Because this looks pretty. The activator. The activator is pretty good. That looks like cloud slime. Don't smell it. Don't ever smell it. Bad idea if you want to smell it. So never, ever, ever in life smell this. This is so stretchy. I'm in love with this one. I'm going to activate the other piece. But first, I'm going to put it in like a little container. Just see if it fits. Okay. No, stick to the bag. This is it's kind of sticky. More. I want to activate too much. It's sticking to me. Yay, but add some more. So if I take it out, you can just taking it out from my container. Let me just play with it. Okay, I want to add some more. Adding a little bit, just a little bit more from here. It cannot be that sticky. Ooh. Something's good. So if you want to make it fluffier than this, you need to add more of that. I want to see what happens if I make it fluffy. Have it here. Oh my God! It's aching. My table is aching. This feels like actual slime that's too active. This feels like slime that's been too much activated. Right now, I'm putting this to the side because right now I'm gonna do the green one. Ew, look at it, it's kicking it. Oop, it was already open. That was not me. There, it's so goopy. Okay, right now I'm adding it in, and it is so hard to add it in. Right now, I keep adding it. Ew, it looks very good. Right now, I'm done pouring it in, so I'm gonna add my sprinkles, and it's gonna be this one. So let's add it in. Oh my God, it's so good. It's sticky to me. Right now, I'm gonna add the measurements. See? Let me add it in. Ooh. It is so good. It's like this. Yuppie. Ew, I don't like stirring it in. I like doing it with my hand. It's stuck to me. Ew, it's like peppermint. Peppermint ice cream. with chocolate pieces inside. Oh my god. It's sticking. I'm gonna love with this. I'm gonna keep it like this. Oh my god. It's so good. I'm in love with it. So sticky. Ew. Look at that. It's green. Look at the sounds. Here. Shh. It's so good. I'm like amazed with this one. I'm gonna put it on the corner edge. Oh, look, a piece of the slime. Okay, I'm taking it out the bowl. I'm taking it out of the bowl. So now we're gonna do the yellow one. Let's do it. Whoa, oh my god. Ew. It's like yellow. It's like an egg. It literally looks like an egg. Ooh, so hard. This is like so hard to pour in. Bring it. I'm done pouring it in. Right now, I'm done pouring it in. Okay, I'm done pouring it in right now. So I'm gonna add the last tiny little bead. This is like a party slime. It looks to me like a party slime. So this is so pretty right now. I'm loving it. So right now I'm gonna activate it. I'm almost wasting this bottle. Here's spoon. I'm mixing it. Look at it, I'm activating. This time I'm gonna keep mixing it until it's done. Because this one and this one. Really, I just do it. I like doing it with my hands because I'm in love with my hands because I love touching it. So yellow. Oh my god. It is so pretty. Right now I'm in love with it. My favorite one of all of them, it's this one. It feels so good. Or maybe this one. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. This one was my favorite one of all of them. I'm in love with it. I'm just in love. I'm in love. Oh, this is what we keep. Oh, keep. Up you go. Eat. This thing is so hard to mix right now. Ew, it's super sticky. Well, I'm done with all my slime and I'm gonna put them in the container. Whichever container that goes good with it. Here are my 3 slime. All the finishing touches I added are already here. My favorite one is this one because it's like a party yellow. Look at that. Hear it. Shh. It's so good. So now I'm gonna do the bubble. So crunchy. Molly's smoking. It's a beach. I think it's like a splash of balloons on a little slime. It's like the best thing ever. And here is my peppermint slime. I named this one peppermint because it has like the little thing that's peppermint and it's green like a peppermint. So it's peppermint ice cream. This slime is peppermint ice cream. This one is sunblast. This one is strawberry sprinkles. These are all the names. This one feels kind of hard because it's hard to stretch. If you kind of want to stretch it, it breaks. But it is really, really hard to squish. But the poking is so good. Literally so good. And look at all these little sprinkles. They look so pretty. Literally look so pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm loving it. I'm gonna with all these 3 slimes. They're like so good. If you guys want to hear it, here it is. Ready, set, go. So right now we are going to do the poking. The poking comes. Now, first one I'm going to do the poking with is my strawberry. The second one is the sunblast. And the third one is the peppermint. Let's make a bubble. Look at that. It is so good. Let me do a bowl with this one. Oh, did you see that? That was so big. Oh my God. Take some in here. Look at that. It's everywhere. I'm gonna put this one. I love. This one will definitely go on the yellow one. I really love it to go on the yellow one. It's so good and satisfying. The satisfying from my touch, literally. Oh no. That was close one. I'll put those in mix. Oh no, something's peppermint. Some of the peppermint mixed in. The peppermint chocolate mix. I know what these are. These are mini chocolates. They're mini chocolate mix. So it's peppermint ice cream chocolate. Yeah. Big man. Like it. So first, we're gonna do a bubble with all these ones. So let's start with the yellow one. We did a tiny bubble, but in the first round, this one definitely won because it did like the biggest bubble in the world. Let's do it again. We did a small bubble, that's good. The second one we're gonna do is the green. Now let's do a bubble with the green one. Whoa, that was cool. Let's do it again. That is a big bubble. Right right now we are going to be doing the strawberry. Let's see if I can do a bow because it's not that stretchy. Oh. Here. Oh no. I didn't do a bow. Well, this one is qualified, but this one can't do a bow. So the one that stop mixing together. Oh look, it looks like a coconut or something. Boink, boink, boink. These are so pretty. This one definitely going in the poop one. Definitely. I'm like in love with these things. They're like the greatest thing ever. That is super crunchy. This one was the crunchiest one. Now let's do the yellow one. Super crunchy. This one's very rough, so I can't stretch. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's stringy. Boing, 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 boing. No, no, no! Why do you keep mixing with the grain? That's kind of weird. Stop mixing with the grain. Get hyper. This one's kind of bad. Right now I'm putting it in the containers. First one is the yellow one. I'm gonna put, I got a container. It's good, I got the container. Oh my God. It's like so good. Oh no, they don't show, I don't wanna add the pieces where they don't show the, so cute. Sticky, wicky. Okay, I'm gonna add, okay, that's good. This is the bottom part. Now I'm gonna do gold partial stickers. Now I'm gonna add the top part right over here. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. God, that's not good. It needs more. It needs more. It needs more. I think it needs a little bit more over here. So I guess it doesn't need more. It's gonna take me a while to put it in. Stick out. The stick, yay! Was sticking out a lot. Oh my God, look at that. It's so pretty. This is my yellow slime. Now we are going to do the green slime that has keychain. Never. Well, if you don't know, my number one rule is to have fun. Number one rule, have fun. Okay, it's good. Yay! Right now we're gonna do my favorite one. I don't know which one is my favorite. I don't know if it's this one or if it's this one. I already did the peppermint. The yellow. It can't be this one because this one is hard rock. So I really like the talking one. It's like rainbow puppy. So I'm gonna use this. I gotta choose this one. It's my favorite one. To the next container. Don't you do it. It's extra. It came extra sticky for me. Oh my God. You're done? Here, can you close it? Found chocolate poop. A chocolate mini poop. Put this one in. Done. Yay! Done. It's done. Yay. It's done. So it's done. It's done right now. I'm gonna add a little bit more for the little tip. It's a little tip. Oh yeah, it's close. Seriously? Okay. Hey guys, I think I'm done. These are my containers. Please give a like, subscribe to Squishy Fluffy's channel. Remember,